Today guys, we're making a machine, simple machine that moves. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Just put the observer right here. Put piston. Wait, slime. Forget slime block. Slime block. Slime also. Slime block. No, it's here. We need to do the opposite. Then, but we need here sticky piston and some slime block. Destroy this obsidian to make it move, and something you can see. Oh, no. The machine is running, guys. Look, it's working. Just stop it, it bumps on other, or you can just put the forget to not stop because it's just we need to put this. Look at what the damage it's doing to that tree. Look, guys. It will stop if it's a mountain, but it's not a mountain. Look, you can handle this. So that's it. Oh, also you can do it upwards. Yes, doing this. But need to hold like this and around it. So it will not stick like this, that, and that. That way up. If you want to go up, here you go. Oh, I can do it opposite as well. So forget about. I will teach you how to get to the opposite way of running. Put this. Put this. Going up. You can ride this. Look. Now, let's go a little bit higher. After we go a little bit higher, like this high. Where you want to go down, right? You cannot go forever up, right? So we're broken that, change that with a sticky piston. Sticky piston. It's the opposite as well. You will change that to a piston. It works also going up, but to activate it, you need to go there. And now you can go there. You now we're in a working real machine. Bye guys, see you soon.